Hi everyone, this is Ben here with Pierre Paul Driving School. Our lesson today is about DMV road test evaluation paper. We're gonna do a 6-part series off of this paper. Today, lesson 1 will be part A off of the paper, which is leaving the curb. When you're leaving the curb as you're taking your road test, there is many things that are expected from the DMV examiner of you to do. Number 1, it's observe. They want you to observe before leaving the curb. Many students, they tend to just get in the car, fasten their seatbelt, shift into drive, and just take off. You cannot do that. You have to make sure you check your mirror, you check your shoulder, then you leave the curve. It is very important. And also, there is many students who right off the back just looking over the shoulder and not paying attention to the mirror. This is not good. We have to first, you check in the mirror only, you look. When you get your full clearance, the mirror is telling you that there is no more cars coming, no more obstacle coming to your right. Then you check the shoulder for blind spot to make sure that it's all clear. You're not checking over the shoulder for additional traffic. You're checking the shoulder for blind spot. The traffic that you could have not picked up in the mirror, that's why you check the shoulder to make sure that they're not in the way. You don't just check your mirror and take it off. That's not good. Not doing that, they will mark you 10 points for fail to observe. That's a lot of points. Kicking off your road test off. 10 points is a lot. Now, number 2, before pulling out, what they are expecting for you to do is to signal your intention. You have to make sure that you signal to let the car behind you know your intention is to move into traffic. When you signal, then you let them know that you will be moving shortly into traffic. You check your mirror to make sure to see if anybody get in your lead that you're about to move into traffic. Remember, when we are driving, we're playing 2 roles. We are leader as well as follower. In this instance, as we're pulling out, we're going to be playing leading the traffic. We have to let anybody knows behind us we are about to move the car. First thing we do, we signal, then we check mirror, then we check shoulder, then we pull out. By doing so, we'll save you 15 points off of your road test. That's a lot. We can get no more than 30. Can you imagine if right off the back you've already losing 50? That's too much for you to lose. We can afford to do so. Failure to do that, they will mark you for fail to signal, which is the number 2 off of the DMV road test paper. That's number 2, fail to signal. Now we're gonna go to number 3 off of the leaving the curve. What is number 3 is use mirror only, fail to check shoulder for blind spot. What I was saying earlier, you just signaling, you signal your intention, you simply look at the mirror and you pull right away. You cannot do that. Right after looking at the mirror, what is there for us to do? Checking the shoulder. Make sure there is no car coming. After checking the shoulder, now you got the clearance. You're ready to go. You're ready to go on and kick off your road test on a good start. Those are the 3 components off of the first part of the DMV road test evaluation paper. We're gonna be doing a 6-part series for you to be watching. If you do have any problem of mastering those things, or you want to get a deeper understanding from a driving school instructor, feel free to check our website, pierpauldriving.com, where we'll definitely help you mastering those parts so you can be well off for your road test.